Lab 36 piggybacks off Lab 35. So if you haven't done Lab 35 yet, or at least watched the video for Lab 35, you may want to get caught up, and we'll pick up from that point. And it says, referring to using the capture session token, so the session token captured in Lab 35, which of these contains the session token? Let's go back and look at the netcat from the previous lab where we had captured the cookie, and we noticed that it came over in this line here. So we can copy that and decode it. Let's take that over to Burp Suite. We'll go to the decoder. We'll just delete the first line and paste in this new line. And we'll select it, and we'll just decode it as URL. That allows us to kind of break up the cookies. And we see that the cookie that we're looking for is the PHP session ID. We're supposed to take that value and copy it over and demonstrate using that cookie. Now, we've already logged into the site, so let's close the browser to get rid of all the cookies that are already there. We'll reopen the browser, and that way we can start fresh. So the idea is to use the cookie editor. Click on the cookie editor, and we're going to open it up. Then we have to replace the PHP session ID. So we select the value that's in there, we delete it, and then we paste the one that got captured and update. And that shows in the lab how these cookies get used to go back and get into a session that another user is using. Back here on the Lab 36 page, we select the PHP session ID, hit submit, and find that that is the correct answer.